Hello friends! Welcome back to our kitchen!
Time to make some yummy stir-fried fish with vegetables.
So let me show you the ingredients. Here you go! Okay, let me first put the fish into the bowl. Look, we have cut it into tiny pieces.
Now to marinate our fish, we will be using 1 egg, some corn flour, salt and pepper. So in goes corn flour, our eggs, and the salt and pepper. So Tani, now you will mix it up.
Okay, I'm done. Now time to fry it.
Okay, our oil has been heated up and my mother is going to help us fry the fish. Okay, we have flipped our fish to the other side now.
The fish smells so good. I feel like eating them right away.
Patience, patience, Danny.
Okay.
Okay, done with the fish now. Let's squeeze in some lemon.
Time to make the sauce for the fish now. So let me add in the soya sauce. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Now it's chili sauce.
Now it's time to put the chili sauce. Now let's add in 1 teaspoon of sugar.
This will give a sweet taste to our sauce.
Yeah.
2 tablespoons of our homemade chili paste. Now this chili paste, we had actually created a video on it, so if you didn't watch it yet, go ahead and watch it.
Now let's add in half a cup of water.
Now we'll be adding 5 tablespoons of corn flour and make sure you mix this very slowly. I'm adding in a little bit more water here because I think my sauce is a little bit thick. Okay, we're done with our sauce and I've added a little bit of oil into our pans for us to fry the vegetables.
So now we are gonna add onions.
We are using yellow onions here.
Green chilies, broccoli. Now it's time for the peppers to go in. We have red and yellow peppers. Adding in my carrots now. Now we are gonna be adding our cherry tomatoes. Oh wow, look at our vegetables. This looks amazing. Now it's time to fry the garlic. We have to turn off the flame and my mother will help me adding the sauce. We need to give this a good mix to our sauce and then we must add in our vegetables.
Hey, look at that.
Wow,
Looks super yummy, right?
I think it's gonna taste so yummy.
Yes, it is.
Okay, now it's time to add in our fried fish. Okay friends, look at this. Doesn't this look amazing? Our stir-fried fish mixed with vegetables is ready now. Oh wow, look at this amazing fish. Let me try. It's so yum.
Okay, let me try now. It's really delicious. Okay friends, I'm sure you enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like our video and share it with your friends. Bye.